Welcome back, friends. Today we're installing the GKTECH End Links, and we are showcasing all three of our available options. First are the S, R, A, and Z32 chassis rear end links, moving on to the S and Select R and all A chassis fronts, and finally our premium spherical front end links, which will only fit the S chassis. As you can clearly see here, this is the premium bracket, and the link goes in either side to adjust firmness. This is what it looks like fully clothed. Sexy, huh? There are some misaligned washers to give the bearing full rotation in its natural element. To install all of the above, front and rear, remove the bottom nut, washer, and bushing, then move on to the top nut, and get the whole thing out of the way. Install the assembled premium end link onto the LCA, pop the bolt through, then slip on the washer and install it to the swaybar mount. Now, lower the car so that tension is applied, then tighten the bottom nut, torquing the bracket to the specs on the screen. Now, before tightening and torquing everything else, make sure that the bracket is in line with the lever so that it does not misalign whilst in action. Once lined up, torque to the specs shown on the screen, and when torquing the main bracket, hold it in place with a large adjustable wrench to keep it aligned properly. And that's it, you're done. Glory be, we are on the internet. If you're bored, we can help. Peep it. If you can't install these, have a pro do it or reach out to the email address for any questions that you may have. This has been Officer Dan, Johnny Caps, and Zach the Snack checking out until next time. Peace.